How to add stickers in YT Create application on super easy, and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, I'm going to open up the YT Create application, and you can see I have already opened up the project. Now if I want to add the sticker on that project, I can just simply tap right here on the sticker, and you can see if I add on the stickers, I will get different type of the stickers, and you can see I can select one of the sticker from there. Let me select the like one. So you can see the like sticker will be imported to my text or my video. So you can drag it to the large, and you can drag it to the down by putting your two fingers on the screen on the text. So this is how you can easily add your sticker in your video. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.